We chose Turner Remodeling after interviewing 4 other contractors. We went with Richard and his family of workers because of their honesty, their rapport with us back and forth, very personable people.
The best part about working with Turner Remodeling was the fact that they were very professional. They were here when they said they were going to be here. They did the work. I was able to be involved in the process because I picked out, of course, everything here. If I had any questions, they explained everything.
From the work they have done, it has been first quality. They do it very neatly. At the end of the day, they clean up the job. They make sure that everything's cleaned up, put away. They keep asking if there's any questions that we might have for them, and then if we do, they take care of it.
I knew the time frame, and they stuck with the time frame. So that was all very important to me, along with the price, of course, because I don't have an unlimited bank account. So that all was very important. And I actually stayed here during the remodeling, so I was 4 months with these guys, and they were friendly. And it was a pleasure to be around them every day, and I'm talking every single day.
I would say recommended 150%. They do a good job, they do it timely, and they're very organized.
I think they're a very good company. I would recommend Turner Remodeling for the smallest to the biggest, because I think I'm on the scale of being the biggest, so they can handle just about anything.